Hey kids, are you ready to meet your favorite blue alien? In today's video, I'm going to show you my brand new drawing of Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. Stick around to see how I brought this fun character to life. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my exciting art adventures. Let's dive in. Alright kids, let's add some color to our Stitch drawing. Wow, wasn't that fun kids? I hope you loved my drawing of Stitch as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can join me for more amazing art adventures. Thanks for watching and see you next time!